be opening the set crystals from MEL Chemistry. Let's open it. Welcome to science. Okay, so today we'll be doing fool's gold. So you're gonna need potassium hydrocyanophorate and sodium hydrogen sulfate. And then you're going to need pyrite, a test tube, a syringe, some gloves, and some measuring spoons. So let's just put that aside. And you're also going to need a beaker and this brown thing. And safety first. Safety lab goggles. And this is optional. This is for setting up your phone so you can look at it. So first, you're going to need your sodium hydrogen sulfate. Pierce the nozzle with a paper clip. And then put in 1 big spoon of it. Now pour it in the test tube. Second, you're going to need 5 drops of potassium hexacyanophorate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, sorry. And then you're going to need 1 small spoon of pyrite. Okay. So then, pour it. So then, you need to put on the cap and then shake it for 20 seconds. Okay, so we have shook it for 20 seconds and it's now time to put it in the hot water. So you can ask your parents to boil you some water and put it at 100 ml so it will make the process faster. So now we're going to wait for 15 minutes. Okay, Google, can you start a timer for 15 minutes?
15 minutes, and we're starting now.
Okay, so while we wait, I'm gonna tell you about this. So I have my iPod and I got this micro lens from the set and along with this phone holder or iPod holder. So now I'm going to do time lapse. And we're just gonna wait for 15 minutes. Okay, Google, stop. Okay, so it has been 15 minutes and now it is Persian blue or a light blue so the liquid in this test tube is sky blue or aqua. So why is this liquid and the fool's gold Persian blue or aqua? The potassium hexacyanophorate part can bind very strongly to iron and form an intensely colored compound known as Persian blue. So now we're going to compare the fool's gold to the one that has been in the test tube. Okay. So it's a little, you can see a little bit of the change. This one is a bit more silver looking and this one's a bit a little bit looks like a little blue. It doesn't look much of a change, but it's a change.
Let's learn about pyrite. Pyrite or iron disulfide. Pyrite is also known as fool's gold. Due to its pale brass color, it is often mistaken as gold. The name pyrite came from the Greek word pry, which means fire, because pyrite can spark fire when struck against steel. In this experiment, sodium hydrogen sulfate helped oxygen in the solution react with pyrite. Then pyrite loses ferrous ion into the solution and turn into ferric ion. After that, ferric will bind into hexacyanophrate and form Prussian blue color compound. Prussian blue pigment was one of the first synthetic color that's been used since ancient Egyptian time.
So now we learned why the fool's gold is Persian blue. Bye! Have fun!